This is a nice little unit. We've had quite a bit of success with this in nursing homes and in hospitals. A lot of the folks there like to take this unit into patient rooms. They're used to mopping, and they notice that when we take this unit in, we can use nothing more but water. They notice a substantial difference in the water that's actually recovered because you have that agitation, right? So you're putting water down, you're scrubbing, you're picking it up, and you're separating it. You're putting it in different compartments. So ideal for those type of applications, but in many other places as well, office buildings, anywhere where a 20-inch or a smaller machine might be a little too big. This is an ideal size. So this one here, again, ergonomic handle. One of the things that I like about this unit is how easy it is to train on as well. You basically have 3 buttons here. You have your on-off button here, you have your vacuum, and you have your water. So when you're training an individual or demonstrating the machine, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Right? Turn on the power, turn on the vacuum, turn on the water, go. Whenever you're getting ready to stop, you're going to do the same thing in reverse. So now you're going to turn off your water first, 1. You're going to turn off your vacuum after you've picked up everything that you left on the floor, 2, and then you're going to shut the machine off, 3. So here, you have your little tank. It's like a 0.7 or something like that gallon tank, so it's not a huge tank. But it's, you got your clean water side, your dirty water side. The dirty water side is a little bit bigger intentionally, so that way as things move around, slushes around, you have more space for it to go and not get into the vacuum motor, even though you do have a float shutoff that as the water level rises, it protects anything from getting into the back motor. You also have a nice little filter here, also easy to remove. And I lock this back in place. I can fill up my machine 2 different ways. I can take it to the sink like this, or sometimes if you're in an office building and you just want to use a standard restroom, and the sinks, the sink and the faucet, there's not much separation between them. You can actually tilt it sideways, pop open this cap here, and fill it that way. And this cap here doubles as a measuring cup, so you can measure, how much solution you're going to put into the machine as well. So down here, you have your brush height adjustment, depending on how much pressure you want to put down on the floor. And just like the sweeper that we showed earlier, the cover plate is easy to remove, and then you have access to all the workings. And again, just like the other units, everything in red. It's a touch point for the operator. So if I open this up, I have access to my little trap door. So let's say I pick up something that's causing a jam and I'm not getting the recovery that I should. I can always just pop this out. Now I can easily clean out that area. I can see that it's also attached to my recovery hose, which that recovery hose goes all the way back here and then goes into my tank. But if I wanted to, I can actually open this up, I can slide this out, I can flush this out and make sure that hose is clear of any clogs. And then when I put that back in, I just simply slide it back in and then lock it back into place. Real nice and easy. While I'm back here, you also have a nice little area where you can easily carry the machine. Makes it easy to carry and distributes the weight a little more evenly. You also have your battery, which is, again, the same as the other 2 units, which is easy to slide out and put right back in. Underneath, you have your squeegees, both in front and back of the brush. And you have a little red tab here, again, red, which allows you to remove this piece here and take out your brush. So put that right back in. If I want to take my squeegee out, okay, again, red. So I'm going to go east and west on this. They're normally, let's say, north and south. And as I tilt this back, that allows me to slide out my squeegee for easy cleaning and replacement. So you got to keep it simple. You got to make it easy, otherwise it's not going to get done. And this, this is real nice and easy for the operator. So we'll just put those tabs back in there.
Is that whole squeegee like replaceable, that kit, or are just the blades?
Yep, so the whole kit. So when they need to replace the blades, they're going to replace that whole thing. That's the way it comes. So align that, snaps right back into place. We're going to go ahead and put this on. It's also a very quiet machine. So you got your foot pedal in the back that releases everything. Turn machine on, battery indicator, turn vacuum on. You hear a slightly different pitch. Turn water on. Okay, when I'm done, turn water off, turn vacuum off, turn power off. That's it. Any questions on the micro scrubber?